got there, honey? Blimey.
$25 box.
Lot number 48. Okay. It says toys, so let's see what's in here.
Oh, good.
What do you think?
Hot Wheels stuff.
Hot Wheels?
This was $19.99.
How hot are the wheels?
I don't know what it goes for.
How's that?
You know, do they have a Bigfoot crunch in here? Is that what that is? Yeah, this is the one everybody wants.
Is it?
Unfortunately, it's got a hole in the box.
Oh, blimey. What happens when you have a hole in the box? It's not a whole lot of good, is it? All right, so what else we got in here? We got a roller coaster. This one, Mickey Mouse.
Hot Wheels.
Mickey Mouse here. And a bunch of games. And what else we got? Oh, there's something for you, honey.
I know these.
These cool?
Yeah, these are paper dolls.
Okay, so we got Battle Arena, Battlestar Galactica, whatever. And oh, look what I found, honey. This must be you.
Am I the red and black Joker? No, you're the red and black Joker. I'm the black and white Joker.
The joke is on you. All right, so look at this. So we're ready to go, honey. Look, we got money. Yeah. All right. We're rich. What about that then? Okay, so this box looks like it's good for the money. We got some jigsaws in it.
I like this. Woodnick people.
We got some more money.
You picking that money up?
Yeah, I'm always picking up money. Look, it fell off my suit. Ta-da! So there you go. The $20 box is probably going to be $100. Okay.